A tumor is a lump or mass of tissue that forms when cells in the body grow and divide more than they should. Imagine a garden where plants start growing uncontrollably. That's similar to how tumors develop. They can occur in any part of the body, and their impact depends on their size, location, and whether they are benign, non-cancerous, or malignant, cancerous. Tumors can be as small as a pea or grow quite large. Some tumors might be harmless and cause no problems, while others can press on nearby organs, nerves, or blood vessels, leading to pain, discomfort, or other health issues. Understanding the different types of tumors is crucial to determine the best course of action. Tumors are generally categorized into three main types: benign, malignant, and precancerous. Benign tumors are non-cancerous and usually grow slowly. They don't spread to other parts of the body and are often harmless, though they can cause problems if they grow large and press on surrounding tissues. Malignant tumors, on the other hand, are cancerous. They grow aggressively, invade nearby tissues, and can spread to other parts of the body through a process called metastasis. This makes them potentially life-threatening and requires prompt medical attention. Precancerous tumors are abnormal cells that have a higher chance of becoming cancerous than normal cells. Not all precancerous growths develop into cancer, but early detection and treatment are essential to reduce the risk. Diagnosing tumors involves a combination of physical exams, imaging tests, and biopsies. Your doctor will first examine you physically, feeling for any lumps or abnormalities. Imaging tests like X-rays, ultrasounds, CT scans, and MRI scans provide detailed pictures of the inside of your body, helping to locate and determine the size and shape of any tumors. A biopsy is often the most definitive way to diagnose a tumor. It involves taking a small sample of the tumor tissue and examining it under a microscope to determine if it's benign or malignant. Determining the type of tumor and its stage, how far it has spread, helps doctors develop the most effective treatment plan. Section 4. Treatment options for tumors. Treatment for tumors varies depending on several factors, including the type of tumor, whether it's benign or malignant, its size and location, the patient's overall health, and personal preferences. Benign tumors may not require treatment if they're not causing any symptoms or health problems. However, if they grow large, cause pain, or affect nearby organs, surgical removal might be recommended. Malignant tumors, on the other hand, require more aggressive treatment approaches. Surgery is often the first line of defense, aiming to remove the tumor and any affected surrounding tissue. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy are common adjuvant therapies used to kill any remaining cancer cells and reduce the risk of recurrence. Section 5. Prevention and outlook. While not all tumors are preventable, there are certain lifestyle modifications and preventative measures that can significantly reduce your risk. Maintaining a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet is crucial. Limiting alcohol consumption, avoiding tobacco products in all forms, and protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure are also essential. Early detection is paramount when it comes to tumors. Regular medical checkups, self-examinations, and being aware of any unusual changes in your body can significantly improve outcomes. The outlook for people diagnosed with tumors varies greatly depending on the type, stage, and location of the tumor, as well as the individual's overall health and response to treatment. With advancements in medical technology and personalized treatment approaches, the prognosis for many tumor types continues to improve.